Singers, have you ever been singing and suddenly it feels like something is stuck in your throat? You clear your throat, you drink water, but it keeps coming back. Let's talk about what's really happening. First, understand this. That feeling is not always real phlegm. Yes, most singers don't know this. What you're feeling is often just a sensation caused by vocal strain, irritation, and muscle tension. Your throat feels blocked, even when there's little or no mucus. Now, what's actually going on? When you sing incorrectly, especially on higher notes, you start adding extra pressure. Your vocal folds take more impact, the muscles around your throat tighten, and your throat becomes irritated. So your body tries to protect itself by producing mucus, and that's when you start feeling thickness in your throat, the urge to clear it, and interruptions while singing. Now let's talk about common triggers. Technique-wise, forcing high notes, singing with a tight throat, using too much air pressure, poor breath support, or trying to carry your chest voice too high. Lifestyle-wise, things like dehydration, dairy for some singers, acid reflux, cold or sugary drinks before singing, and even dry air. Now listen carefully to this. Clearing your throat actually makes it worse. That habit, it creates more irritation, more friction on your vocal folds, which can lead to even more mucus production. Now, about drinking water. Yes, water helps, but only temporarily, because the real issue is not just dryness, it's technique, intention. Water treats the symptom, not the cause. So how do you fix it? Step 1, reduce pressure. As you go higher, don't push more. Take weight off your voice. Step 2, release tension. Your throat should not feel tight when you sing. If it does, something is wrong. Step 3, use gentle coordination. Practice things like lip trills, humming, and light sirens. These help your voice work freely, without strain. Step 4, fix your breathing. Good singing is not about more air, it's about controlled airflow. Too much air creates irritation and that phlegm feeling. Step 5, stay hydrated. Drink water regularly and try steam inhalation when needed. Step 6, adjust your diet if necessary. If certain foods increase mucus for you, reduce them before singing. Now, in some cases, it might actually be real phlegm. This can come from things like a cold, infections, allergies, post-nasal drip, or acid reflux. If it happens even when you're not singing, then it's something you should check properly. Let me leave you with this. That phlegm feeling is often your body saying you're using too much pressure or your throat is too tight. So don't just treat the symptom, fix the technique. Because when your voice becomes free, balanced, and supported, that problem will reduce or even disappear completely. Now tell me, do you feel this more on high notes or even on simple songs? Until next time, singers, one mic and happy singing.